Hello, Namaskar. Here is one question based on dielectric slab. While inserting between the plates of a capacitor and the capacitor is disconnected from the battery or capacitor is connected from the battery. So, in that case, what will be the effect on electric potential, electric field intensity, electric charge, capacitance, potential energy and energy density. So, in both cases, what will be the effect? In first case, when capacitor is disconnected from this supply and dielectric slab is inserted between the plates. In the second case, capacitor remains connected in the supply and dielectric is inserted between the plates. So, this question is the best example of both situation. That is, when capacitor is connected with the supply battery and dielectric is inserted and capacitor is disconnected from the supply and dielectric is inserted. So, here I read the question. Figure shows two identical capacitance C1 and C2, each of 2 microfarad, capacitance connected to a battery of 5 volt. Initially, switch S is left open and a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K is equal to 5 are inserted to fill completely the space between the plates of two capacitors. How will charge and potential difference between the plates of capacitors be affected after the slabs are inserted? So, see here, initially switch S is closed, then C1 and C2 will be in parallel, then potential difference across the capacitor C1 will be equal to V1 and V1 will be equal to 5 volt. Potential difference across capacitor C2, that is V2, that will also be equal to 5 volt. So, initially charge Q1 is stored by C1, that Q1 equal to C1 into V1, C1 into V1 and C1 is equal to 2 multiply V1 is equal to 5. So, it will be 10 microcoulomb and charge is stored by capacitor C2 Q2. So, Q2 is equal to C2 V2 and C2 again 2 microfarad and V2 is equal to 5. So, 10 microcoulomb. So, you can note down the result here. The potential difference across C1 initially when switch S is closed, V1 5 volt. Potential difference across C2 when switch S is closed, initially V2 5 volt. Charge is stored by C1 Q1 is equal to C1 V1 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10 microcoulomb. Similarly, Q2 is equal to C2 V2 is equal to 10 microcoulomb. Now, when switch S is open, then see here switch S is open and the capacitor C1 remains connected with battery. So, the potential difference across C1 will not be changed. Therefore, the new potential difference V1 dash across C1 when dielectric slab of dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates of C1, there will be no change on potential difference. So V1 dash will be equal to V1 equal to 5 volt. Right? V1 dash is equal to V1 is equal to 5 volt. This is asking in the first part. And now Q1 dash. So this capacitor remains connected, hence Q1 dash is equal to K times Q1, and K is given 5 and Q1 you got 10 microcoulomb. So Q1 dash is equal to 50 microcoulomb. V1 dash 5 volt after insertion of dielectric, and Q1 dash 50 microcoulomb. For the capacitor C2 which is not connected with the supply, in that case V2 dash is equal to V2 upon K. Remember this one also, it is not connected with the supply, and V2 is equal to 5, K is equal to 5, this will be 1 volt. Note down this one also. And Q2 dash, because once the capacitor is charged and after disconnection the same charge will be there. So Q2 dash will be equal to Q2, and Q2 is equal to 10 microcoulomb. Yes. So this is the answer. So for the first case, for charge stored by capacitor, Q1 dash is equal to 50 microcoulomb, and for the capacitor 2, Q2 dash is equal to 10 microcoulomb, and potential difference for the capacitor 1 5 volt and for the capacitor 2 1 volt. So this is the answer about this question. Thank you so much.